Jag screaming.
That was you.
That was Jag. As soon as we took off, he was like, ah!
Let's go high.
Yeah. I'm sorry. You gotta wave to the camera at the top.
Why?
Liz, you just got it.
It looks like it doesn't even go high.
I feel sick now.
You don't get anyone on the
Shush! This one was way better than the first one.
Why?
Because the first one didn't even bungee jump. It just went up and then came straight down.
It's Jag.
Too fat.
No, he weighed less than me.
Huh?
He was way less than me.